Welcome to creating and accessing lists. A list lets you store multiple values in a single variable. The values are ordered, they stay in the sequence you put them. And lists are mutable, you can change them after creation. Square brackets create a list. Values separated by commas. Access by index, same zero-based system as strings. Negative index counts from the end. Len returns the number of items. Assign to an index to change a value. The 78 at position 2 is now 80. Lists are the most used data structure in Python. You will reach for them constantly. Welcome to modifying lists. Unlike strings, lists are mutable, you can change them after creation. Python provides methods for every common modification. Start with a 2-item list. Append adds 1 item to the end. Fruits is now apple, banana, mango. Insert takes an index and a value. This puts orange at position 1, shifting everything else right. Remove deletes the first occurrence of the value. If the value is not in the list, it raises a value error. Pop removes and returns the last item. Pass an index to pop a specific position. These 4 methods cover most list modification needs. Combine them with loops and you can build complex data processing logic. Welcome to list methods. Beyond adding and removing items, Python lists come with methods for sorting, searching, counting, and reversing. These are operations you would otherwise have to write loops for. An unsorted list with a duplicate. Sort modifies the list in place, ascending order by default. Pass reverse equals true for descending order. Count returns how many times a value appears. There are 2 ones in this list. Index returns the position of the first matching value. Raises value error if not found. Reverse flips the list in place, not the same as sorted in reverse. These methods replace manual loops. Always check if Python already has what you need before writing a loop. Welcome to looping through lists. The combination of lists and for loops is one of the most powerful patterns in Python. You can process, filter, and transform every item in a collection with just a few lines of code. A list of student grades. The simplest loop, print each grade. Enumerate gives you both the index and the value. I+1 so the numbering starts at 1, not 0. A list comprehension, build a new list from only the passing grades. This replaces a 3-line loop with 1 readable line. List comprehensions are elegant. If one fits on a line and you can read it easily, use it. Welcome to list comprehensions. A list comprehension is Python's elegant way to build a new list in 1 line. It replaces the create empty list, loop, append pattern with a single readable expression. Source list. For each n in numbers, compute n squared. Squares is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Add a condition after the for clause to filter. Only even numbers make it through. Transform strings, call a method on each item. Result, hi, there. List comprehensions are one of the features that makes Python code beautiful and compact. Learn to read and write them fluently. If this lesson helped you, smash that like button and share it with a friend who's learning Python. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson. And continue your full learning journey for free at pylearn.saypeace.ng.